This Hisense TV I got is great. I love it. I've had it for about 6 years and I'm always losing the remote control. So I'm gonna show you the best app for this TV. First, what you wanna do is get on your phone and go to your apps. Once you get in apps, type in TV remote for Roku. I think that's how you say it, Roku. And this will pop up and you open it up. And once you open it, down there at the bottom, you have your information. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the control, the remote control, and hit connect, and make sure your TV has been on for at least a minute or two so that the Wi-Fi connection could sync together. And once it's searching, it finds it, you click on it, and it's gonna ask you if you wanna set up a voice enabling. I just skip that and just hit dismiss. And once you hit dismiss, turn on the fast TV start. And then hit the back button here on the top left. And you can read this, but you can hit it again to go back to your remote control. And this is what your remote control looks like. It's really simple. You have your channel to the right, your channel up, to the left, and down. And once you decide what you want, hit OK. Then here at the bottom, you have the mute, volume up, volume down. And one of the best features is this right here. You can plug your headphones up to your phone, your iPhone, so you won't disturb nobody, and you can only hear the TV through your phone. You know, so if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.